Hi everyone, I wanted to leave a video with my thoughts regarding this week's case. These ethical dilemmas are quite interesting because they test our ability to solve problems. From each point of view, everyone can be right and have pros and cons about their position. For the analysis of the case, I would like to explain what would be my ideal scenario if we could go back in time, and on the other hand, what would be my solution to solve this situation. So, regarding my ideal scenario, in order to avoid these conflicts, it's necessary to do a meeting before starting with all the colleagues and discuss how the group will assign the order of the authors. This is as important as the study design, the randomization, or the sample size. I will propose hearing everyone's ideas and needs, reviewing if the institution has special policies regarding this topic, and set, for example, a system of points to evaluate everyone's commitment. I would like to establish priorities like contribution on the design, participation during the process, analyzing the data, writing the manuscript, and even the efforts needed to get sponsorship, equipment, etc. All of this has to be written in an author's agreement form with everyone's approval, so no one can forget what they agreed to. Another important thing is to establish at least one milestone during the process, where the workload and the participation will be reassessed, in order to evaluate if the objectives established related to assignments during the process are being accomplished. This is very important because during the process some authors can work harder than others, and we need to be as objective as possible for this matter. Finally, at the end of the process, the group will review the initial commitments, the mid-evaluation, and re-evaluate if necessary. With all of this, we will have, for me, the perfect scenario to avoid conflicts. On the other hand, what will be my solution to solve the situation, since unfortunately I don't have that time machine? First of all, we all need to agree that the first approach from Isabel and the response from Juan were not ideal, because I feel none of them were prepared to hear the other's reasons. For me, this is a very delicate situation and cannot be spoken like that. I will try first with the least harmful solution, and I will choose the internal advisory committee to evaluate the situation and to propose a solution where all the parties can be happy with, even having in consideration the possibility of co-authoring the study. In this scenario, it's very important to have a bigger picture of the problem and have in consideration the advantages and disadvantages of a more aggressive solution for each party, as for example the lawsuit. It's important to have in mind that it's not just the benefits, but the responsibilities related to authorship what we are setting. So I would love to hear your comments about this.